Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can put a video in a PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. Open your presentation, go to the Insert tab, and in the media section you can choose a video. As I click, you can choose your video from this device, stock media, and you can also choose video online if your video is available on YouTube and other online platforms. In this case, I'm going to choose a video from my device. Just click on my device and pick up your video where your video is located. For example, I want to insert this video. Just click on a video and choose insert. As you choose the insert, the video will be inserted in your slide. Adjust the video on the slide like this, and if you want to edit this video, just go to the playback. From here you can trim your video, you can also play the video, and many other options are available if you want to edit your video. I want that my video play as the slide started, then go to the start in a sequence, then choose automatically. I'm going to slideshow. It will work like this. As I start my slideshow, the video is automatically open. This was the shortest way to insert video in a PowerPoint. So thank you very much.